Well, we are learning more about the 16-year-old accused of raping two women in Scottsdale. Police arrested the teen one day after they cleared another man who'd falsely turned himself in. ABC 15's Angie Holdsworth is live tonight. And Angie, the twist in the story really very emotional and actually pretty confusing for all of us, especially the folks who live in the neighborhood where these rapes occurred.
Yeah, absolutely. People definitely on edge with this, Stephanie. And even when you look at the comments on our website, people are anxious to know that the right person is in custody. Now, the 16-year-old is still being held as a juvenile, and we are not releasing his name until we know if he is charged as an adult. Today, however, I spoke to some teenagers who say they went to school with him.
Yeah, we always kind of knew he was kind of like a hoodlum. Kind of in a way.
Several teens at Chaparral High tell me they know the suspect as one of their classmates, now accused of 2 rapes.
I would be surprised at that. I don't think he would do something like that, but you know.
Police say the teen lived in an apartment complex in the 10,000 block of North Scottsdale Road, not far from the 2 apartment complexes where the victims lived.
It's a little scary, especially such a young teenager too. Not that young or old makes a difference, but it's a little disturbing, yeah.
And this is the result of working leads that have come in. This suspect was one of the tips we got from the community.
Scottsdale police announcing the arrest a day after clearing another man who turned himself in shortly after a sketch was released.
It's a mixed bag of emotion for sure. That it's nervous, it's fear, it's remorseful for the person. It's all the above.
We're positive that this is the right guy.
And Stephanie, we're told that the police are still waiting for some lab tests, but they say they positively have some forensic evidence that links these crimes to this teenager. And they say also that one of the victims positively identified the teen as her attacker.
Yes, certainly good news for everyone that was fearful in that area. Angie, thank you.